Today, I'm going to tell you about alignments in Tinkercad. For example, we want to keep an object in center, left, right, and top, middle, and bottom. For that, we use alignment. So to learn the alignment, I just have made one rectangle which is having a length 40 and width 20. So by using this, I'm going to make one heart. For that, I'm going to see that one suitable shape. I'm finding this suitable. Now you can see that our roof, this is a roof. The roof size will be even equal to the heart, like 40 length and 20 width, or you can have a more also. So just the same, I want little bit big roof, so that's why I'm changing its length to 50, width to almost 30. And I want height also 20. Now we need to uplift it. You can see that it is around 21. So how we'll uplift to 21 by using this arrow. Even as I told you, you can change value here also. So we want to place it exactly in the center. So how we will do that? For that, there is a one alignment option. We need to select both the objects. Now the both objects are selected. You can see this line. It's showing that both objects are selected. Now in the align option, or you can press L from keyboard. So it starts showing you some black dots. So this is basically a center from this side. Just click on it. Now you can see it is exactly in the center. But it is not center from this direction. So again, there is a one black dot for the center is here. You click on this. Now you can see that this is a heart. Okay, and roof is exactly in the center. So in this way, you can design heart.